Maps. To learn about essential components of maps, that is distance, directions and symbols. The subject geography deals with distribution of various phenomena on the earth. Distribution of various features on the earth are usually represented on maps, which shows the world as a whole or a part of it. Map is the important tools to study geography. It is represented on flat sheet of paper in coordinates with some scale and direction. Maps serves us not only as a tool to analyze and understand geography, but also for illustrating geographically. They guide us on the land whether we travel on foot, by rail or bus. For town planners also requires maps. Type of maps. They are of two types, such as political and physical maps. A map is a shortened script for the geographer. Let us now learn the essential components of the map. The top of the map on which the title of the map is written is always to the north, and the lower part of the map is to the south direction. The right-hand side is the east and the left-hand side on the ground. The earth rotates around its axis and it has two poles. The two poles are fixed points. They are taken as north and south points. As you draw a line for north to south pole, then the right side this line is east and the left side of this line is west. These 4 points are known as cardinal points. When we know the main directions, then the other intermediate directions can be easily known. Distance. A map represents a portion of the Earth's surface on a reduced size or scale. The scale is the ratio between the distance of 2 points on the map and their corresponding distance on the ground. A scale may be shown on the map by a statement or by a geographical divided or by a representative fraction or RF. Let's solve one example which will helpful to measure the distance. The scale on this map shows that 1 centimeter of the map is equal to 100 meters on the ground. Symbols. Many features of the earth are to be shown on the map with the help of signs or symbols. They are known as conventional symbols. Some of the commonly used symbols are given in the sketch. Sometimes we draw small maps hurriedly which are not according to the scale. Thus, a sketch is that maps which is drawn without using conventional signs and are not to the scale. A plan is prepared accurately for a small area. It gives all the details with the complete measurements. It shows a small area on a large scale. You may draw a plan accurately, giving length and details accurately. Summary. Maps represent a part or whole of the earth on a flat sheet of paper. They are drawn to some scale. They include the direction also. There are two types of maps, physical and political. For example of physical maps are plains, plateaus, etc. Example of political are different countries and states. Scale is the ratio between map distance and the ground distance.